Happy holidays from Cucina Di Salvatore. I know this quarantine has been a drag, but I have the perfect recipe that's gonna make your holiday lit. Let's check it out. Chocolate covered Oreos. Here I have a few designs for you. They're really simple. All you need to do is dip them in melted chocolate and start decorating. For the decorating process, you're going to absolutely need hard melting candies. You can find them at any grocery store, and if they don't happen to have them, you can also use chocolate chips, white chocolate, or dark chocolate. This is the perfect holiday gift if you're cheap, or you can do it like as a fun date idea if you're stuck at home with your loved one and you're like looking for a little bit of fun. Or you can do it while you're webcamming with friends. Thank you, Gay Club TV, and everyone for watching. Please check me out on my Instagram and YouTube channel, where you can see the full recipe and many other cooking creations I've made over the years. Happy holidays, everybody.